Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Hostinger AI website builder. If you have no clue how to create a website or you have no experience in coding and you want it to be created using AI, then I'll show you how it can be done using Hostinger's AI website builder. You have to go to a browser and search for Hostinger, press the enter key and you have to click on the first link and you will be onto its website. Then you have to click on my account if you already have an account, otherwise you can click on start now to sign up using your email address. Then you will get to this page which is Hostinger AI website builder. But let's say you couldn't find it. In that case, you can search for Hostinger AI website builder onto another tab. You will be onto this page. Then first you have to give the name for your website. You can give it anything. You can also change it later on, so don't worry that if you give it you would not be able to change it. Just simply type it anything and explain what is your business or website is all about. Whatever you write here, this will be your prompt and based on it the website will be created. So make sure you add right things. And there's also option if you want to create the shop, you can also keep it, otherwise you can deselect it and then click on create a website. Then it would hardly take a minute and the website will be created within that time. Once this loading gets done, that is happening in the bottom, then you will see the website will be created. As you can see, this is a website it has created. There's the option to change the color palettes if you would like to. You can check out different colors, you will get the idea. You can also check out the mobile version so you will get the idea how it will look in the mobile. Also, if you don't like it, you can create something else. If you click on continue, then you will be able to edit it. If you want to change the name, you can click on to it and then you will be able to add any name of your website whatever you like. You can also do the customization like color, text, font, underline and these stuff. If you want to change the color, you can also do it. You can create multiple pages as per your choices, and whatever you want to customize, whatever editing you want, you can do everything up here. You can change the colors, pages, style, size, each and everything. Once you're done, you can click on preview or you can also click on go live and your website will be live. So that's how you can use Hostinger AI website builder. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.